You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Ooh, we're about to build a droid. Look at that. Here, can you get the stroller, Robert? So you're about to build droids.
I'm about to build my own.
How cool is that?
Awesome.
What can your droid do?
Well, I think, I'm not really sure what it does. That's why I came here. So I think one of them.
Oh, we're gonna
help.
find out then.
Maybe.
Look at this droid, C-3PO.
Yeah, cool. No, you're good.
I'm going to step over to the side. No,
We good.
This is awesome. I want to do a panda. Yes.
Perfect. Do we know what kind of droids we want to build?
No.
Okay. Do you want a BB like a BB-8 or an R unit like R2-D2?
Probably
R2? Okay. So the R2 is the one like with the leg, and then the BB-8 is that round one. It looks like a little ball.
On the videotape.
Daddy's recording.
Okay, let's see. What?
This is a better view, sorry. This is a better view.
Okay, my friend, so for the BB unit, you need a motivator, a base plate like this, small dome, and an outer.
This is the base, right?
Yeah. It will. You have that in 5 different colors, so it's up to you.
This is so cool.
Wait, what about R2-D2?
Look, get the
I wanted
pieces.
an R2-D2, but it's okay.
You get the pieces for R2-D2.
Really?
Yeah, actually, excuse me. She said, what about R2-D2?
What's that?
What pieces does she get for R2-D2?
Oh yeah, you got the wrong bin. That's okay though. Don't worry, I can show you the pieces. It's up, right up here too.
Oh, okay,
But
so that's basically it.
yes, so you'll need the large dome.
Like this? No, that's not.
No.
So
like these,
Yeah.
those types of domes. You need a motivator like that, a set of long legs, and a small middle one.
Right. And, yeah.
You're not going to get you the right one?
No, it's okay. I got
I
it.
can get the right one.
Okay.
Here,
I got it.
hold on to that personality chip. So,
This one I get?
here, hold on to the personality chip so you don't lose that. And no, you won't need that one. That's for the BB unit.
my baby like that. Make sure you like recording their hands and the droids. You're like up at their faces.
Okay, my dress. There we go. So here, you can start putting things in.
Isn't she supposed to have a different head? If it's not looking the way you want it to, let me know and I'll get help. Take your time. Are you looking at what you're doing? Camille, you're waiting for your sister. We're recording you. Go. Why don't you make sure everything's right?